Manoj Jarangi, a well-known activist from the Maratha community, has taken his protest to the next level in Mumbai. His hunger strike has now entered the fourth day. On Monday, he announced that he will also stop drinking water, demanding that the Marathas be included in the other backward classes category. Jarangi has also said that over 5 crore people could come out in protest if Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis does not respond. Jarangi wants the Maharashtra government to issue a formal order recognizing Marathas as a subgroup of Kunbis. He believes this will allow them to get reservation benefits. He also cited over 5.8 million historical records showing the connection between Marathas and Kunbis to support his demand. The Maharashtra Cabinet Subcommittee, led by BJP Minister Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, is discussing the issue but has not yet made any decision. The state government has said it will consult legal experts about using old government records, such as the Hyderabad and Satara gazetters, to decide on the matter. But Jarangi insists that the government should act now based on the records they already have. He has vowed to continue his protest even if it causes him serious health problems. Thousands of Maratha community members have joined the protest at Azad Maidan, Mumbai. The large gathering has led authorities to increase security. Talks between the government and the protesters are still ongoing, but the situation remains tense. Also, the protests have caused big traffic problems in Mumbai. Some train services on the Central and Harbour lines have been delayed, and a few bus routes near Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus have been suspended. Commuters are advised to plan their travel carefully. For now, Jarangi's message is clear. He will not back down until his community gets the recognition he believes they deserve.